Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get a blank name on TikTok. So if you've seen this and you're wondering how this can be done, first you just go to your browser and type in invisible character for TikTok. And I want you to open up this link by EditPad, okay? This is an invisible character. So all you want to do is come here and click on copy to clipboard. So come here, copy this to clipboard. As you can see, it has been copied. Now we'll go to TikTok, and what I want you to do is come at the bottom right, click on your profile icon, and then click here on edit next to your name. Okay, and now we're able to change our name. I'll actually change our display name. So right here, just click on your name, and then let me click on this X icon to delete that name, and then let's paste this in. So I'll hold there, click on paste, and now as you can see, it has been pasted from my clipboard. It takes up 2 characters. And then all you need to do is come at the top right and hit save. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.